back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I... What are you... Stop! Today I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my eyebrows, how I just clean them up. It's about that time for me where I need to clean up my eyebrows because I almost have a unibrow if you can't see already. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today, how I maintain my eyebrows. So if you'd love to know, just keep on watching. Okay, the way I actually maintain my eyebrows is by threading, which is kind of crazy because it's pretty intense. But I did learn how to thread by my friend Bianca, and I'm not sure, I forgot how she learned how to thread, but she taught me, so that's what I've been doing for these past couple of years now. And threading is actually how I maintain my eyebrows, even if I like go to a salon to do it too. I've never gotten my eyebrows waxed. I've always done threading because that's what my mom and my older sister do. Okay, so what I use for my little pack, I guess, is this little bag right here. And this is where I put all of my tools that I need. And so in this bag I have a pair of gloves because when I thread, sometimes I'll be threading for a while and it kind of like cuts my fingers sometimes. So that is for my fingers not to get cut. And in here I have two things of thread. I got it from Walmart. You can get it from anywhere, I guess, like Hobby Lobby, places that have thread, you know. I got mine from Walmart. I have these angled scissors right here. I believe they're Sally Hansen. Yes, they are Sally Hansen. And I also got this pair of, what's it called? Just this like comb, and then it has like the razor blade right here to, you know, when you do that thing. Yeah, that's in there. And then I have my pair of tweezers right here, and then I have this brush for when I'm done. I just like wipe it away like that. It's a little elf kabuki brush. And that is all that is in my bag. So I actually enjoy threading. It is very fast, very easy. Sometimes it's painful, but it is so worth it because your brows come out looking wonderful at the end. And they're just like clean and just very easy. So if you learn how to do your own threading, or if like you tweeze your eyebrows, you know, like you save a lot of money from going to a salon. So that's why I like it, and I'm so glad that my friend taught me how to do it. And I also clean up my parents' eyebrows, my little sister's eyebrows, even my boyfriend and his brother's eyebrows. So it's a very like good skill to know. Okay, so now I will be showing you how I clean up my eyebrows. So what I also use is this mirror right here. It's like one of those, I guess like the normal view, and then you could see closer up. It like magnifies, one of the magnifying mirrors, yes. The two-sided. So I'm going to be reaching into my bag just to get this comb right here. I'm just going to be brushing them out. I take my thread right here and I get a good length, about this much. That should be fine. I just pull it. So how I learned is to get it like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. And then, so I take the start to the finish, and then I bring it down and connect it, and then I just tie it together, maybe like 3 knots. I like to do this before I put the gloves on because it's very hard to tie it when I have the gloves on. Okay, so the thread is together and it's gonna be like in the circle. Know what I mean? Okay. So I'm gonna be taking my gloves. These are kind of dirty. I need to wash them. These are just some like an old pair of like cotton gloves, and I put them on so my fingers don't get cut. And I take the thread, and now I'm gonna take it like this, and I'm going to just twist it. Twist it like this, like so. And now it's gonna be, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see it? So it's gonna be like this. So now you're able to make that kind of motion, like this. I know in the salon they do a a type of different technique, or they use a different technique to thread the brows. Like like my ladies, I see them have the thread in their mouth and they're just like going at it. It's like, dang, I wish I could do that, but I don't know how to do that. So sometimes I like just kind of watch, but by the time I get home I forget like their technique. Okay, so now I will be getting up in here. So remember, we have it like this. We connected the ends of the thread and twisted it, and now we could do this motion. So I'm gonna get started at the top. Can you see? Like you can't see. Okay. So I'm just gonna start, and just in this motion is how I do it. I'm not sure how to explain the motion that I'm using, but I'm just doing this. I'm getting the hairs that I want, and a little disclaimer, I am not a professional. I am just a little amateur, and if you want to try this at home, you can, but don't be mad at me if you mess up your brows, because many times I have messed up my brows and didn't even realize like how bad they looked until like I seen pictures. I'm actually gonna get a headband because I'm like catching some hair. And this is actually like a cute little headband that I got from Kohl's, if you guys were interested in the headband. Look at me. Oh wow, my brows look so bad. It was time for them to get cleaned up. And I kind of do it slow so I don't mess up, if you know what I mean. I do have my brow product in my hair, or in my brows. And that's just because I was wearing makeup today. Okay, so you just clean it up wherever you'd like. I don't do anything too crazy. Like, as I said, I am just maintaining it, and if I do like forget to, or just like neglect my brows, I will always go back to the place that I get them done and have them reshaped so that I can maintain them again and not mess up my shape. But they're not too bad to where I needed them reshaped. Now I'm like inside there. Oh, my eye's kind of tearing up. Okay, so here I kind of like place it to where I want it. And now, oh my gosh, that hurt. It's always this inside of the brow that hurts. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm almost done with this brow. I'm just seeing where else I want it done. I don't know if I want to like do a little bit right here. Yeah, I might just, yeah, I'm gonna get this hair right there. Many times I have taken out like the wrong hair that I was going for, and then it just messes it up. So I'm just like, wow, great. Okay, that looks pretty cleaned up. So I'm gonna move on to my middle, or between my brows. And I just take it like this along my face, and now I'm just going at it. And then I move it around. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. Y'all could thank me later. Okay, so right here at the start of the brow, I don't want to mess it up too much, so I'm gonna like be kind of careful with my placement of the thread. Okay. Just a little bit more. Oh, I didn't want to take that brow or that hair out. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. We are fine, we are good. We are content with how that looks. Okay, any more hairs between there? Oh my goodness, I could see like my makeup is already breaking apart from all day that I've been wearing it. Ew, it looks so bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna get started on my other brow. And I'm just gonna be doing the same technique that I used on the other side. What is that? Oh my, I pulled out a hair. So now I'm just gonna twist it up again, make sure it's good, and move on to this side. Oh wow, yeah, that's a lot of hair that needed to go. I'm gonna show you guys how I maintain my stash area too, girl. Okay. Same technique, same thing. I'm gonna just go in and get all these hairs. This could hurt sometimes too. Alright, and I'm all done. I actually thread right here on my sideburns just because I don't like the way like how I had a lot, so I just decided that, oh, I want to thread them. And it's actually a lot to maintain, but I do thread right there. Same technique. I change out my thread. I get a new thread just so I'm not using it like all over my face because I'm just like asking for a breakout. I'm gonna use my little kabuki brush to just wipe it all away. Actually, oh my goodness, I forgot I need to like trim them up. What was I thinking? Sometimes I don't even need to thread or like, what's it called? Trim them up. I don't even know if I'm holding these right. They like feel so awkward in my hand. Okay, I don't want to cut too much. So I'm going to change my hand placement. Okay, great. I'm going to brush down and get all of this mess. Okay. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going in with my brush. I'm just going to be wiping it away. And there you have it. I'm all done. And there you guys have it. These are my tips and tricks on how I maintain my brows, my little techniques. And thank you guys for viewing in. I hope you guys enjoyed. I want to know if you guys are going to try to do this. And let me know in the comment section below if you are like interested in getting your brows threaded and if like this is something that you'd like to try. And once again, it's a very easy way to maintain your brows and they come out looking pretty good if you don't mess up. Also, don't be mad at me if you mess up your brows. Wasn't my fault. You did it. I told you. You don't have to do it, but you did it. Thank you guys again for viewing and watching the video. Let me know if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. If If you want to see more videos, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!